No one likes filling up forms, let alone a long form with many fields. Still, you might need a bunch of information to make a data-driven decision. Now, how can you make your audience fill out a long form? Well, there's no 100% guaranteed way, but WordPress multi-step form can surely help. Wondering how to add this? Fluent Forms got you covered. We'll start at Fluent Forms dashboard. Now click on the Add New Form and create a blank form. As it is a multi-step form, there will undoubtedly be several pages. Let's start by adding a few fields to the first page. We'll pick the name, email and phone number field. The first part of our form is ready, and now we'll do the magic. We'll drag the magic wand from the advanced option. Now don't end up searching for a magic wand. The field is called the form step field. Let's add the next page between the page break and the end option. And on this page, we'll collect shipping details. We'll drag a drop-down field, an address field, and a date and time field. Let's set the drop-down options as international, domestic, and local. And we'll set the element label for this field as type of shipment. And name the text field comments. If users want to add a comment, they can put it here. And now the second part of our form is ready. A multi-step form won't live up to its name with only two parts, right? So let's add another one. You can copy the page break section and paste it where you want to start the new part. The page break section is movable as well. We'll collect payment information in the last part. So let's drag the payment field, payment summary, and payment method from the payment fields. Don't forget to customize the fields according to your liking. And our multi-step form seems ready, right? Well, Fluent Forms' main purpose is to ensure a great user experience. So let's tweak a few more options before finalizing it. Click the Edit option of the Paging Start section and let's set the form section names. We'll name them Basic Data, Shipment Information, and Payment Details. Not just that, you can also set progress indicators. It can be a progress bar, steps, or none. If you choose Disable Autofocus, you can stop automatic scrolling when pages change. Enable the Auto Page Change will trigger the next page change for the last radio item field. You can also enable per page data save or resume steps from the last form, so that the users don't have to start all over again if they stop halfway. You can customize the previous and next buttons, rename them, or even add images instead of buttons. To do all this, click on the edit icon of the page break section. And since previous and next buttons are customizable, don't shy away from making it a bit humorous. The page end section can be edited in the same way. Now save the form and click preview. The multi-step form is ready, and your users can go from one section to another one swiftly using the previous and the next buttons. Even though there are many fields, it's much easier to fill now. Lastly, you can use advanced styling features to customize form styling. Changing color, using padding margin, typography and whatnot. You get all the styling options needed with Fluent Forms to give your form a bespoke design. That's it for today. If you want more WordPress tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to WPManageNinja.